Pandas. 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 Come on, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everyone. I'm Baba Money. We are trading the Nascraq every single day here. Pure price action. Drop a GM in the chat. Scalp that like button. That's pandas. Pandas. Ah. Pandas. Alright. What do we have here? You got I got shadow banned? Why? What did I do this time? Turtles, good morning. Hansman, good morning. Panda, are you traveling again? Maybe a little. Maybe a little bit. Just maybe a little bit. Bill Savin, good morning. Scalp that like button. Scalp that like button. Panda, scalp that like button. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Scalp that like button. Oh no. Man, I'm not even playing right now. Really close to market open though. I'll hold it to the open. We'll have to hold this till the open. It's an L4 setup. In which force this time? We're in New York. Ample force of New York. Alright. Strong bear bar. Gets reversed with a strong bull bar. Hopefully we can into the open will help us win this trade instead of losing this trade. Fourth entry short. 10 seconds to market open. So countdown 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding ding ding. Ooh, hello. 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 Goodbye. Hello. We are 1 to 1. Let's make a new low here if we can. I'd love to see that. It's that easy. Pandas is simply that easy. I'm not saying I was so scared. We're gonna lose that trade. It's an L4 setup. 4 pushes up to the 20 EMA. It's in the market open, so it was a little bit sus. But pandas. We're a 410. We basically hit our stop loss yesterday because of the nonsense price action yesterday. So we stopped trading and we jumped to sim. But you know, our stop loss on these accounts will be around 750. I probably have one trade beyond 750. That's what I'm thinking. The reason being is because it's 50% of what we can make max per day, which is 1500. I mean, we can make more than 1500 a day. It's just gonna affect us in terms of the withdrawal. So I got your short. Fails like an entry short here. Maybe. Fails like entry short. It looks a little bearish to me, to be honest. As I say, second entry short does work out for you. It looks a little bearish to me now. It's looking a little bearish. Maybe one more low. 3 pushes down. Charles Wilson, good morning. Crimson Demon, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Spike channel. That's what I'm thinking, pandas. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, at least. A new low being created. Kind of what I thought. One more push down here, but this spiking channel can last. These spiking channels can last. Typically they last 3 pushes, but if they go longer than 3 pushes, they can they can go on for a long time. This is a 5-minute chart. We still have a gap to fill. Struggling to go up. Really a strong uptrend day yesterday after this nonsensical consolidation here. It's super frustrating. Like this was the opening hour. It's unfortunately it's just what happened while we're trading. We just touched the bottom of this channel. Interesting. Good morning, everybody. We're up 400 bamboos already. Taking the 4th entry short here. Going back up to the top. Let's see. Let's see, pandas. I mean, I could do something cheeky here. Could try shorting it at this trend line. Could try something cheeky like this. We don't even get there though. We'll see. Yeah, we don't even get there. Don't quite get there. Ooh, pushes down pretty hard. Off the 20 EMA this time. Okay. Spiking channel. It's channeling. It's doing its thing. Making new lows again. Like, imagine you had a runner here. You went short here. Imagine you had a runner right here. Where I entered. A runner. Imagine you had a runner here. Where we entered. Runner gets stopped out to the tick with that move. And then it goes. How frustrating is that? Absolutely frustrating is that? Market does that a lot. Market does that a lot. Actually, it's more common for runners to get stopped out. So it's like, if you hit your target, you might as well reverse it to try to get the runner out. You know what I mean? Does that make sense, Paz? Since most runners fail. You might as well just reverse it when you hit your target. Am I making sense here? More sense than ever? Runners, are you ready? Are you ready? Make some bamboo. Pandas, I watched the series, The Penguin. I need to know in the chat, have you watched The Penguin? If you I'm a panda, not a penguin. That's absolutely correct. This is kind of flushing now. It makes me wonder if I should go for strong downtrend day today. Only problem is, where's my entry, pandas? Where's my entry? We're actually accelerating, right? Instead of the spiking channel, we're making another spike. Strong spike too. 5-minute chart. Strong bear bar with follow through. How rare is that? How rare is that follow through? How rare is that, pandas? Oh, interesting. Daily chart? It can create a trap. Hmm. Very interesting if it creates a trap here. I mean, this is flushing. This is flushing here. I don't know any other trade other than maybe a limit order at this trend line. I mean, it's the only thing I could think of. What else? Pandas, what else? Oh, Loco. Loco, you're the one who recommended it to me. Someone recommended me, I forgot who it was, and I need to thank you. That show is the best show of 2024. Best acting by Colin Farrell I think by far in any performance he's ever had. The I mean, it's like I don't know if it's like slow pace. Like for me, I've never it never lost my attention. It had me like kind of wanting to see what happens next the entire show. So it's not like slow, but it's not like a fast-paced action show either. But it just kind of keeps you on the edge of the seat with other reasons. And it's been a while since I've seen a show where like I needed to binge it. I needed to see the next show right away. Next episode. I never knew Colin. I mean, Colin Farrell. I didn't think he was ever a bad actor, but man, he proved himself to be one of the greats. People are comparing his performance to the joke Heath Ledger's Joker. That's what people are comparing the performance to. Pandas. Like, how silly would you be to not watch Batman? Batman, what was it, Dark Knight? How silly would it be for you not to watch that and miss out on Heath Ledger's performance? I guess a couple of you guys have watched it. Most of you guys haven't, though. Most of you guys haven't. No. Most of you guys have only seen at the zoo. Seen penguins at the zoo. All right, I get it. I need to get in this downtrend. I need to participate. I gotta scalp a downtrend or a short trade here. Thinking about going short there on a second entry short. What if like the moment I try to participate, it's gonna just break my neck? It's kind of been my MO lately. Try to jump in these exhaustive moves Enter. Whoa! Alright, I'm in. Bounce back off the 20 EMA, also trend line. It'd be my only trade I could really look for, but looks like I'm gonna get punished for this. Or not, let's see. I feel like I could only really scalp in these situations because we're so late in trend. I don't know if I should look for a new low. Dare I? Dare I look for a new... Okay, it's making a new high now, high or low. It's gonna break my neck. Or not. See, signature short. Oh, alright. Fair enough. Fair enough. I try to get in the short. You know, you gotta try. When you see a downtrend this strong, you gotta jump in somewhere. And it just happens to be right when I jump in is when this market decides to do a full-blown reversal, break my neck. Let's hope not. It's like I just short here, pandas. It's like I just short. Could be a trap trade. Okay, or not. Decent push down. Let's get a new low here if we can. Could get my 10-point scalp right there if I wanted to. I think we're gonna make a new low here. If anything, maybe hit yesterday's close. It's reversing back up. Let's see if we can get that new low. Let's see if we can get that new low, pandas. I'm hoping we can get it. I'm absolutely hoping we get this new low. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Right before it gets to the new low, starts to give me a little reversal. I don't like it. Pandas, what can I say? I don't like this. It could be a double bottom now, and it could just break my face off. If that even makes sense. I don't like that at all. Nope, no siree, I don't like it. I don't like that move up. I don't. I absolutely don't. I hate it. I despise it. I absolutely hate it. Looking for that new low. Get punished for it. Jeez, okay, I'm sorry. You get a strong bear bar ending on its low. Like, you're expecting a bear bar ending on its low like this to have follow through, making a new low, but instead it just completely reverses limit order bulls coming in right here. It's absolutely insane. It's absolutely nuts, pandas. What can we do, though? We gotta do what we think is most probable. And most probable thing that was gonna happen was make that new low, but it did not. Actually, the very improbable thing just happened. To just reverse all the way back up like this. Very improbable thing just happened. Goodness gracious, pandas. It's all good. Small risk. The very improbable thing just happened. You got the strong bear bar ending near its low. No follow through, just reverses with limit. That means like bulls are just coming in, seeing the strong bear bar, and they just buy it. Like that is, you have to be a madman to do that. Sometimes you gotta out crazy the market, you know. Sometimes you gotta just out crazy the market. I realize I need a tick counter on this. Alright, let's try again. Maybe get to the bottom again. It's like a short, floating midair though. We're in this trade. We're gonna shoot for it again, see what happens. For a new low here if we can get it. Just a second entry short on the 2500 tick. Strong downtrend. A very strong downtrend day. Okay, we made our scalp. 10-point scalp. In the bottom of our trend line. I mean, this trend line might end up being like what saves this and keeps pushing this back up. Possibly. I've seen crazier things. I've absolutely seen crazier things. Okay, so I got just short my fail here on a higher time frame. Second entry long here. Bouncing out the bottom of the trend line, maybe back to the top of the trend line. Could be possible. Could absolutely be possible. Could be bounce like this. Could be a trap trade here, but also this trend line could be protecting this. Looking for a new low, so we're kind of in this trap as well. You can kind of assume that this is the trade we actually took, this trap trade. That trap might be failing here. I need one more push up, I don't know. We're holding it for the big move down, for the big mama. Come the Uh-oh. Okay, trap looks like it's good. Strong bear bar ending near its low. A little bit of follow through. Not complaining about the follow through. I would love if we make a new low now. Would absolutely love that. We could reduce our risks to just this. Pandas, we could. At this point, it might be worth. Oh, little snap down. It still hasn't hit us, right? It still hasn't made a new low yet. Which is what we're looking for. Like snap down and reverse immediately. You gotta hate that. You have to hate the fact that this is reversing so strong. Maybe I have to hold the original. Maybe I have to hold the original risk. You have to hate the fact that it snaps down and snaps back up. It really just like on the 5-minute chart is just complete trading range. Strong bear move. Complete trading range. Big wicks. You know, people just bought it the moment it hit the bottom of this wick, thinking that yeah, we come back to the top. Creating this trading range. Very strong trading range. So I got you short, but pandas, I don't know about this one. Oh, it's a darn shame. I mean, it looked really good, right? We just wanted that new low, which makes sense in this situation, right? New low. We still have a chance here. Let's see. Darn. Looks like we're gonna get hit again. It's all good. I think it's worth trying here. You know what I mean, pandas? I think it was worth trying for that new low. But man, this is just it's just insane. Like it makes sense to go short here. Like I almost want to extend my stop loss and just go short here because it's starting to create a trading range. Like it's just these big wicks. Like I almost just want to like bring this up and just go short where my stop loss is. Like I should be going short up here if it does hit it. It could be a triple bottom as well. Maybe I'll scale in one time. I usually don't like scaling in because that's a recipe for disaster. That's the perfect recipe to bust your accounts. Typically don't like to scale in. Ooh, but original risk. Holding the original risk might be worth it here. Let's see. Coming off our trend line again. This one's tough, pandas. Pandas, what do we do? This one's tough. Toronto says it made a new low on the E-mini. Alright. Very strange that it would do it on the E-mini but not on the Nascraq. That's strange to me. Maybe trying to tell us there's divergence going on right now. Divergence between the NQ and the E-mini. We are coming off our trend line. Could just pop up, who knows? Could be a triple bottom here. It's like 50-50. I feel like we're in the middle of a trading range. If we break this low, that'd be really good news, but I don't think we're... It's not gonna work. Break this low here, maybe? Maybe my mistake was I didn't wait for the 20 EMA hit. I was eager. I mean, look, if we're this close to making that new low, like, doesn't it make sense to just have your target at that new low? I mean, can you really fault me for this? I'm just gonna hold the original risk, though. We gotta break this pivot low here. Oh, there it is, Pandas. Could be a nice move down, actually, now. Basically, double failed trap. So, trap here, then trap fail, so double trap. Oh, we could easily make that new low now. I almost want more, Pandas. Am I being greedy here? I'm being absolutely greedy, aren't I? I mean, if the market's gonna be silly like this, let's act a little silly ourselves. I mean, we did the hard thing by holding through all this risk, right? We did the hard thing already. We already did the hard thing. And then I can come up break even. I wouldn't want another reversal back up here. You know what I mean, Pandas? So we'll come up break even now. Let's even get a little bit more here. I'll just take it on the next like reversal once we make a new low. Right, new low here. I'll just take it on the next reversal. Once we make a new low, I'll take the next reversal here. Okay. Keeps popping back up. One, two, three, 4 hits down here. I mean, that's a pretty strong support. Whatever support this is floating on right now is a very strong support. A strong bear bar again. Looking for some follow through. Wells, either come up break even or make some good bamboo here. Okay, finally makes a new low. Pops back down. Like I said, I'll take the next reversal up after it makes that new low. I'll take the next reversal up because I don't want to deal with this nonsense. Okay, takes me out. These movements are so sudden too. It's kind of like scary. Like, it actually completes this candle. I can't even see it because it's so quick. 1, 2, 3, 4 hits. Look at the 5-minute chart, Pandas. It's a menace right now. It's an absolute menace. We're 500. We're looking. It keeps going down. Could be one of those situations where it just keeps getting sold off this trend line. And you gotta catch it early in order to capitalize. Like, you gotta just jump in, like, now. Doesn't quite get where I want it to go. So, it's okay, we missed that move down. Look at the strong bear bar. Is it gonna just be bought up with limit order bulls? Just like it did here? Maybe. Quite possibly. Let's hope not. Oh, this move down, it is rough. Now it's getting very choppy to get in here. How do I get in this, pandas? How do I participate? How does one participate in this? It's so choppy though. Like it's so choppy all along the whole way here. Now it's kind of like flushing down. Where do I get in here, pandas? How do I get in here? Strong bear bar, Aeon's low again. I may sell it as an always in short here on the 5-minute chart. I may sell it at the close of this bar. This is the 5-minute chart. I'm looking to sell it right at the close. Get a quick 10-point scalp. Quick 10-point scalp ends up going 10 points the other way very quickly. Right. Strong bear bar ending near on its low on the 5-minute chart. You're thinking follow through. And you can't like get married to a premise, pandas. Like if I lose this, I lose this. It's just, let's just take the hit. I was looking for a quick 10-point scalp. Instead, it gives me quick 10 points the other way. That's like 50-50, I guess. Darn. What can you do? I mean, when you see a bear bar like this, you gotta just sell it. You gotta just sell it, in my opinion. Just to sell it. Absolute no follow through on that bear bar. Let's try to sell one more time here. Jeez Louise. This is why you just take the hit and move on. This is why you just take the hit and move on. Look at that, pandas. Look at that. Just look at that. It's a spectacle. I just want to sell here. I just want to sell here. Undershoot, maybe need to overshoot. Sell at the top of the bar. So people did. They sold at the top of this bar, the 5-minute. Oh. Game next first reversal of the super strong spike up. Don't know. Just holding. What do we do here now? Ride or die. Are you Alpine kind of weird that you never stream at the same time? No, I'm not Alpha. I mean, I never streamed at the same time as Al Brooks either, if you think about it. Actually, I have. Wow. Look at this move. Look at this spike up. How ridiculous is this? It's an absolute spike up. It gets reversed at the top of the bar, top of the body, and just reverses back down. I mean, this is just very hard to trade. Like, I was expecting it to move down, but Just absolutely insane, this move down, but you just take the hit, move on. I'm just trying to get in any short right now. And we're going to keep going short, making new lows here. 250. It's just flushing right now. Yeah, let's make sure you scalp that like button. What are you guys doing right now? Such an exhaustive move down, pandas. What in the world? My NVIDIA driver updated this week, lagging my games, going short on NVIDIA. Easy trade. Easiest trade of my life. Okay, should I keep going short pandas? That's a question. Another retracement's going to continue to be silly here. Okay, also works. Take it. Just keep going short no matter what, pandas. What in the world? I guess I'll go short again if we have another opportunity. It's like you're at the craps table, keep rolling. Alright, triggers. So I'm gonna pause on this one a little bit. 14 seconds. I'm gonna try again another always in short here. Try another always in short, see if we can get some points. The moment I always enter these always in shorts, I just can't get a hang of it. Always in shorts are difficult. I get our 10 points. We're up 650. Okay. I gotta try Big Mama here. I gotta try. I know it seems overextended, but I gotta try Big Mama here. I have to try. It seems very overextended, but I have to try. Mainly because the daily chart would trigger a trap trade. Wait a second, sure, but touches the 20 EMA. What a good move. Tricky deaky move. Tricky deaky. Tricky deaky. I gotta try Big Mama. I have to try. It's such a strong move down. The daily chart is creating itself a good setup here. Second entry short. Wow, second entry short. Outside bar reversal is just wacky. It's very wacky, second entry short, but it's a second entry short. Right, A, B, C. We send out our pause here. We send out our pause. Okay. I mean, I guess you gotta try. I guess you gotta try, pandas. I guess you gotta try. It's pushing it pretty strong right now. I guess you gotta try. What? 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 Okay, we're in. I'm guessing this is the move. We'll see. I guess this is the move, but we shall see. Okay, reverses again. It's gonna take me out here. It's like a triple trap, quadruple trap here if it triggers this low. I'm just sitting on our pause. We'll just take the hit here. And if another opportunity arises, we'll take the short again. Okay, it does trigger. It's good news for us. Very good news for us. Probably at least make a new low. Hopefully trigger Big Mama. Hopefully trigger Big Mama here. Hopefully. Okay, big push down. Possibly. At this point... I feel like... Okay. Okay, it's reversing again. I might lose this. Yeah, I'll lose this. Alright, losing this trade. It's okay. We calculated the risk. We felt like the probability was okay. Push this down again. Guess I'll take it. What in the world is happening, pandas? I have no clue. I said I wouldn't. I said I wouldn't. Oh wow, alright. Good thing I didn't. Oh wow. I mean, I gotta try. If we go short again, I gotta try with double. I gotta try with double. Today might be a wash day. But if this reverses down again, I gotta try with double. Alright, we're in this trade. Risk is teeny weeny. Risk is teeny like my weenie. What? Oh wow, darn. I thought this was the move. Yeah, I got tricked. I got tricked. I got tricked. I got bamboozled. Again, another push-up attempt. I'm still in this trade somehow. Or 1K. I think he's gonna hit yesterday's low at least. Darn, every time it pushes down, pushes right back up. Should I be happy with my gains here? I want to do the obvious thing, which is to hit yesterday's low. Oh, I would hate a reversal here. Absolutely hate a reversal here. Versus again, I don't want it. If it breaks this pivot high, I do not want it anymore. I think give me a bounce up. Woo! We made max, pandas. We made max today, pandas. We made max. We made max. 1500, pandas. Oh, feels good to make max. Why do I call it max? Because if I make more than this, then when it comes to withdrawals, it's gonna be very difficult to withdraw. We made max, pandas. We did it together. I had to help hold it through all of this nonsense, but pandas, look at how difficult it was, having a hard time breaking above the 20 MA on such a strong downtrend day. You gotta try, pandas. You gotta try. We made max 1500. In fact, we made a little less, a little more than max. Should I lose a little money today? I'm actually traveling, so I don't have my stream deck, so I can't activate the glasses thing. I'm sorry. I can't do it. I'm sorry. I know you're disappointed. I gotta lose a little money. I can't be this. I'm gonna lose like. No, I can't. I've tried this before, pandas. I definitely tried this before. I mean, we want to lose like a couple ticks, like 2 ticks. I don't know how much this is with commissions though. Darn, I should do it with commissions. I should do it with commissions. I should lose a little bit. No, I can't. I remember last time I ended up making $4,000 and I kept trying to lose. I can't. I actually tried to lose but we made max. Let's just stick with this. Pandas, you know what that means? You know what that means? We're jumping on the Sims. We're jumping on the Sims. Goodness gracious, pandas. Look at this downtrend. Completely retraces all of yesterday's price action in a matter of couple minutes here. The beautiful thing about Sim, you can DCA as much as you want. You can DCA your way out of any hole. That's a beautiful thing about Sim, pandas. DCA out of yourself, out of any hole there is. Are you ready? Wait, wait. It's gonna punch me. We are going to DCA out of ourselves, out of this incredible hole. Should I do it like this, or should I just do it with one contract, keep DCing myself out? I mean, it doesn't really matter. Oh, it's trapped. Just to set off a trap. Hmm. This just set off a trap, pandas. We're gonna DCA our way out of this hole. Just watch. We're gonna DCA our way out of this. Just watch, pandas. Just get ready, pandas. And he says, I have 150K Apex account. What is the max I can make in a day? Like on your account, you said 1.5K. Yes, I have 150K. Counts as well. We calculated the 1500 because of 30% consistency rule, which means that on any single day you can't make more than 30% of your account profits when you withdraw. So the minimum you need to withdraw is 5100. Actually, you know what? I'm good because it's 5100. So 5100, 30% of that, 1530. I should be okay. I should be okay. I mean, considering commissions, like we should be fine. Whoa! Pandas, I don't know if we can DCA our ways out of this one. This looks like a big ol' reversal. Alright. Two can play this game, pandas. Two can play this game. You think any reversal is going to be small at this point? Two can play this game, though. I'll tell you right now. We will not lose money on this trade. Look how many orders I have. There's so many orders, I can't even see it. I think I gotta combine it. I gotta combine the core. It's just too much noise. Isn't it too much noise, pandas? I will do that. We'll combine a couple of these. Do something like this. We'll combine like 5 of them. We'll have another one here. Is this the perfect way to bust your accounts, pandas? This is why I don't DCA. Well, I do DCA, but only. Oh yeah. Okay, we're still here. Only when I'm like really purposefully trying to DCA. Like I know I'm gonna DCA before I even enter the trade. Oh, we didn't quite touch it. We didn't quite touch my the 20 EMA on the 2500 ticker, which is where I had my entry here. We didn't quite get there. With the power of DCA, pandas, you can never lose money. You will never be in a losing trade with the power of DCA. Junky, I bet Apex is live copying this right now. Absolutely. You know they are. I'm only in 60 contracts. It's not even that many, pandas. Don't even think this is a lot. Is it an official Apex ATM template? So yeah, so the max you can do on any single day is, let's see, 1035 or a 1535, I believe. 5,100 times point 3 is 1530 is how much you can make max per day. But that's only if you get like exactly 5100 by the time you withdraw. That's pretty difficult to do to get exactly 5100. You probably make a little bit more, a little bit less. Well, you can't make a little bit less, you gotta make a little bit more. Gilbert Medina just made you profit for 14.3K in their zero rule 150K funded account. Think about those accounts are super expensive. So on the 50K, you can only make 730. You need to make 2600 for the 50s times point 0.3. 780 is the max you can make on the 50K accounts. It's like actually long here forming. Yes, that's correct, sir. I guess trap trade is my next setup here. Power of friendship and DCA. This is how we are going to. Yes. Yes. No. No. I hate trying to stack these. The line is so thin. First reversal in a long time. We're having a hard time closing beneath the previous day's low. My computer is almost at max capacity here, pandas. It's like, it's lagging. I can't. Oh, wow. I guess this is like a retracement. Oh, let's get the next reversal down. It's only $100,000, pandas. I mean, if that's a lot of money to you, then you're not ready to trade. If that's a lot of money to you, then you're not ready to trade. You should stop trading if that's a lot of money to you. This is the power of DCA, pandas. You will never lose money. It doesn't mean you will make money, but you certainly never lose money. I'm at 100 contracts in, pandas. This is why you don't DCA. This is a prime example of why you do not DCA. This is what Daryl's worst nightmare is. A trader doing this on his accounts with his money. This is his worst nightmare. We've entered Daryl's worst nightmare. Eventually, it's going to reverse, right? Eventually, no? It's just like 100 contracts, pandas. Don't be worried. If this is a lot of contracts to you, then you're not ready for trading. You're just not ready. You're simply not there yet. Is this a real account? I am at 1.2k. Gonna stop now. Thanks for a promo. First time trading Apex. Let's go. Congrats. My Sierra chart candles keep freezing. Oh, wait, are you copying my trades? Is that why? Because that makes sense. Alright, Ninja Trader. How much can you handle? Okay, actually might be a decent push down here. Strong bull bar ending near its high on the 5-minute chart. I mean, I still have a dream, pandas. I have a dream that all pandas traded equally. Were traded equally. All pandas were traded equally. Pandas, get ready for the ultimate DCA power move. This is gonna crash. We're gonna make so much money. Just watch. Or not. Or not. Or not. Oh, jeez. Oh, gosh. This is really bad news. It's like really, really bad news. Imagine if we were DCing the other way, pandas. Imagine if we were actually DCing the other way. That's what I want you to imagine. We jumped the sim because we made max on our funded accounts. You can't make more than 1,500. So we're already at 1,565. So we're at max right now for the funded accounts. Jump to the sim for fun. You been to the mountain? I've been there. I've been to the mountaintop. Little Martin Luther tribute. Hey, make sure you scalp that like button. Here's our funded accounts, pandas. I mean, we're doing great on our funded accounts. Up 1,500 on our funded. This is our sim account. It is absolute wildland. It's wildland right now. Wildland. So you created another system. I've been away. Oh, this is not really a system right here. This is just trading sim. But really, we just been going short. We just went short on this downtrend, just trying to get in retracements, trying to get back to the 20 EMA, trying to do second entry shorts, fourth entry shorts, so forth. I mean, oh, oh no. Oh, there they are. Oh, this is painful. Oh my gosh. We're gonna reverse our trade here. I can't put more orders in, Pandas. Imagine I accidentally did this on my other accounts. Sometimes you gotta admit when you lose. When you're in the wrong side of the trade. Sometimes you gotta admit it, Pandas. Basically the trap triggers on the 2500 ticket. We gotta try here. We have to try here a little bit. $2,500 tick trap triggers. And it's looking juicy. 5 minute, probably come back to the 20 EMA. That's what I'm thinking. It's probably its target. Probably wants to touch the 20 EMA. So let it ride. Can't be submitted account below. Account below minimum cash value. Oh, I see. I was wondering what's happening here. What? I for a second thought I did this like on my real accounts. I can't add any more. I can't add any more. My sim account is too low. My account balance is too low, so I can't actually add more contracts to this trade. My sim account was too low. This is sim. It's not real money. We already finished our real money accounts. We made max today. We made 1,500. So these are our funded accounts. We're up 1565 today, and that's the max you can make per day. So we just jumped to sim to have some fun. And this is just wild, man. This is wild. Trap actually kind of like fails here on the 2500. Maybe second entry short on the 5-minute chart, but bouncing off of the previous day's low perfectly makes you wonder. Makes you scratch your head. Second entry long on the 2500 tick, or sorry, the 500 tick. Alright, Pandas, we're gonna end it soon here. Pandas, make sure you use code BBM80. Sorry, use code BBM for 80% off Apex evals. Take advantage of it while it still lasts. I was hoping. I was hoping for a Black Friday deal, but who knows, Pandas? Who knows if you'll ever get it? I was hoping for, but we'll see. We shall see. Pandas, can we get it? Nice push up. Second entry long. Good signal bar. Strong uptrend. Okay. We're trying to get back to 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. Pandas. Nice second entry long, making a new high. That's what we were expecting. Okay. Pandas. Can we get there, Pandas? That is the question. That's a really good sign for bulls. Pandas. I have a dream. I have a dream. Five-minute, trying to get to the 20 EMA here. Struggling to get there. But trying to get there. I have a dream, Pandas. Did you say 5-minute EMA? 5-minute 20 EMA. 5-minute 20 EMA is our target here. Our first target, anyways, at least. Actually, let's end it here. Oh, so close! Pandas are so close! 20 EMA! Come on! Oh boy. It's so close. I don't want to lose it by ticks. No, where are you going? So close. So incredibly close. Oh my goodness, pandas. That was so close. Can we still get it? Is it too late? We got 2 more minutes. Whoa! Whoa! Pandas! We made $60,000, but we were down negative $120,000. So now we're only negative $60,000, pandas. What a great day. What a great day of trading. We're only down negative 60,000. Just kidding. We're up 1,500 today, pandas. We did great. It was fun. Fun doing the fun stuff. Things really change, right, on the 2,500 tick chart once this trap triggers, right? Second entry short fails above the 20 MA and then it starts to reverse up. I mean, that's when you kind of really know. Let's start going long. And then it really starts shooting up here. NQ just touching the 20 EMA. That's what your first target is, I think. Bouncing off of the previous day's low as well. Big down, maybe big up. Who knows? Pandas! I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Remember, there's news at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow. It's unemployment claims. Now, is it big news? I wouldn't say that it's big news, but it could move the market, so just be aware of it, pandas. Pandas! Hope you had a great day of trading. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you guys there. As always, have a trading. God bless. Bye!